Hello everybody, I just wanted to show you my raw food meal. These are two recipes. This is a tomato dish, but this one is a combination of two recipes. It has one recipe I got from one of my favorite books, and I mixed in it some raw kale noodles. I'll put the recipe below, but you see the noodles in there in this recipe. See, you can mix two of your favorite recipes together and you come out with one. You can even put other things in it. You could put avocados in here or other things. And I could combine this with this, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep them separate. But this is just an amazing meal. Recipe is below. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Raw Life Health Show. I know everyone's looking for recipes and a simple way to eat the raw food diet and the raw food lifestyle. Well, I'm here to help you today with some of my favorite meals. And today I'm going to give you one of the most amazing meals I've ever made. And when I first started making raw food recipes, I would just get raw food recipe books and make the recipes. And I didn't always like them, but I was really searching out to find the easiest, simplest recipes to make. So I have one recipe book that I found that I had in my closet for years. I went to Amsterdam to visit somebody out there who had a raw food restaurant, and they didn't use any garlic or onions in any of their recipes, and I personally don't like garlic or onions in my recipes or at all. So I don't know why I didn't pick up this book for years, but I finally did, and I started remembering how great the food was there, and I made some of the recipes. So today, as you saw in the opening, it was a vegetable foo young with peanut sauce that's absolutely delicious, but I added a little twist to it, and I added some kelp noodles to it. So basically, I'll put the recipe here under the video so you could check it out. But after I made that recipe, I had that recipe, and I was just deciding what to do, and I decided to add some kelp noodles, some raw kelp noodles that you can get online very simply. You go to Amazon or somewhere online, and I added the kelp noodles with the vegetable fouillon peanut sauce. And here's the recipe at the end of this video. Absolutely delicious, quick and easy to make. There's no excuse not to eat this way. If you have any questions about this recipe, let me know. And remember, if you don't like a particular ingredient, you could either leave it out or switch it out. There's ginger in this recipe. There's many other herbs you can use instead, possibly. If you want to add garlic or onions, you can go ahead and do so. And then there's a peanut sauce that's used with almond butter. If you want to use a different type of nut butter, it always adds a little difference to the flavor, and it's really nice. But this is a simple, quick, easy recipe, and that's what I want to share with you here today.